Well folks, look where we are. I think we should, let's just take the keys out of the bike. I think we should take a little walk down here. Yo, we're a friend. Should we try pet it? Please don't headbutt me. Yeah, look at this. I know we're on super wide, but anyway, stick around, because this is the kind of gems we find using motorbike apps. Enjoy. I'm joking. April. Yeah, it's April though as well. There's salt down that road in April. Be over that way. Yeah. See you in a bit, bud. Oh, welcome back, folks. Welcome to Horse in the Yorkshire Dales. Let's ride. Well, welcome to a brisk morning. I mean brisk, it is vile. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and I thought today we should head up to Hartside Pass. Happy Easter everyone, this is Bank Holiday Monday, so there will be a few bikes out today. Roads are a bit tetchy, whoa, saying that, Jesus. So this morning I thought we'd head out to Hartside Pass. We've not been there yet on the MT09. But I set off this morning at about 7 o'clock, and I'm so glad I put my rucker on. I was going to wear my leathers. I checked the weather and it was like 10 degrees, sunny, a bit cloudy, not much wind. And by God, has it been cold this morning. I put my leather gloves on, and I should have brought my my Gore-Tex ones, because I keep having to stop about every hour because I cannot feel my finger or my thumb. But yeah, today we are using a different app. So you may have seen in the title, if I've titled it how I think I'm going to title it, we're using the Detecht app. It's called Detecht app. It's basically Kali Moto. You may be thinking, JBL, why aren't you using Kali Moto? Reason being for that is I tried to download Kali Moto, if you recall, in last week's video, but for some reason now everything's behind a paywall. Everything. You can plan a route, but as soon as you start it, you used to be able to start it with like motorways or twisties, but super twisties were locked behind the paywall. Now whatever I do without taking the free trial, I'm blocked behind the paywall. So this one keeps popping up on my Facebook for riders, so I thought I'd give it a go. There is an annual subscription. That's not a paid video by any means, but I'm on the free one. It's on twisty roads, and instead of starting from home, I thought we'd start from Hawes, a place where a lot of my audience is familiar with. So we sort of tested it today. Will it take us on the roads we know, or will it sort of find us some little back lanes like Kali Moto usually does? But yeah, I've got the drone packed in the bag. It's starting to warm up a bit now. The clouds have sort of cleared all over. Like Ribble's Head earlier, it was really foggy. I mean, I still had a little bit of fun. But anyway, let's get cracking, and hopefully if I find a valid spot, we'll get the drone up. I'm not sure how that footage will turn out. I haven't flown a drone in a very long time. But we've got a 2 hour and 25-minute journey up to... I've set the destination to Alston, which is on the other side of Hartside Pass. But I really just want to test the MT09 and the new suspension and everything on the what I think is the best road in England. If you haven't ridden it, stick around, and I'm pretty sure by the end of it you will take a trip there. But let's go. I'll tell you what, around here might not be a bad spot to get the drone up. The weather seems quite calm. Whoa, jeez. And that is why we don't ride fast on the roads, ladies and gentlemen. You never know what's round the corner. Whoa, some sketchy roads around here. maps has gone off. What's going on here? I'm sorry to say your free trial has run out. Oh, there's the GoPro frozen again. What a surprise. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the reality of motovlogging. Well, I thought I'd been on this road before, but look at this. Leaving that nasty weather behind us. So where we're going looks a bit cloudy, but I think it's gonna... I don't think it's gonna clear... Oh, I think it's just gonna be a bit cloudy all day, but as long as the roads are dry, I'm not too fussed. Got to keep an eye on these roads. I mean, road conditions at the minute in the UK are just appalling anyway, but especially like this time of year, spring, when sort of the winter is sort of fading out, you've still got the dirt on the tracks, like the tractors are bringing out the wet dirt from the fields, although the road may be dry, there's just gravel and stones and dirt and right, well, this GoPro's just packed in. Sod it, it's a write-off. The GoPro Hero 7 has been retired from the JBL Motovlogs channel. Rest in peace, or whatever you do. Anyway. So as I mentioned, if you are familiar with Kalimoto, it's basically the same. I don't know the user count, I'll put it on the screen somewhere here. But it's got like the, you know, the same features as like Waze, where you can report police, traffic, potholes, all that. But I'm just trying it out, and so far it seems to be running pretty much flawlessly. And unless you lose sort of connection, like I did earlier, then for some reason it shut the app down, but it's managed to just click back onto my saved route, click to the closest point, and we're back on it. But it's also got this thing called crash detection, so I think if you go down, it says it will notify your emergency contacts, which is pretty neat. I mean, it's not great if you drop the bike and all of a sudden your loved ones think you've died, but yeah, I don't mind it. Oh my god, thank god for that. We've just been stuck on an A road for like 12 miles. To be fair, this new windscreen we've got's really making a difference at like 60, 70. Really making a difference. The weather at the minute's just been so inconsistent, that's the thing. It's like, it's sunny behind me, and then straight forward it's just dark cloud. So we are on the B6261. So if you're from around here, Kirby Stephen Way, it's probably a popular road, but if you're not, an hour and 8 minutes to go. Oh, it's the enemy. The cyclists. Yeah, it's fine, guys. You just, you know, spread out. Are you going to turn right? Are you going to signal? Way! Slow, lambs on road. Okie dokie. Well, this might... Do you know what, folks? I think we're going to get the drone up. It's not too windy here. Yo, look at this. Imagine being on the M6 when you could be on this road instead. Just imagine that. The cattle grid. Beautiful roads, man, beautiful. Thank you, Detecht. No, I don't think we can get to that. Woo! Let's go try find that dam. I reckon that's a good mile away and we don't even know, you know. I reckon that's further away than we think. Oh, we got there, yes! We did it! Watch the drone not work now, calling it. Look at that! Can we take, what's it say there? Can we take the right? Private land, no overnight camper vans. No unauthorised vehicles. Well, let's go right up to the line as if it's Area 51, because we have a thumbnail photo to take. Oh, it appears my phone won't connect to the battery. Do I have a Mavic Mini SE? I don't think I do, but we'll download it anyway. I just don't want to pick it up. Sod it. I'm not the JBL I used to be. I'll put where we are on screen now. I think it's called Slattendale or something. I think we're going to have to buy a new connector for the drone. Yeah, I'm behind schedule a bit now. I haven't had time this weekend to run through stuff like the drone setup, so I've literally just been sat at the side of the road trying to figure it out. It's actually a really, really nice day. 10 degrees, but for some reason, when we're on the bike, it is Baltic. So I don't know if you follow me over on Instagram, but I've just put in some brand new EBC Double H sintered race pads on the MT-09. I had a disaster. So I've done my brake pads before on other bikes. It's quite a simple job really, no? Took the caliper off, did the first caliper, took them out, sprayed some degreaser in there, cleaned all the pistons out. Just went over to the next caliper, thought, oh, okay, we'll just do it again. Pumping the pistons up to try clean, you know, further in. And one of them just decided to topple out, just fell out. Brake fluid started pissing out all over the garage, all over the wheel, the tyre, everything. I'm like, oh shit, so I like popped the piston back in and thought, okay, I didn't lose that much brake fluid. Checked the reservoir, it was still full to be fair. Tried taking the reservoir off top and tried burping the bubbles out, squeezing the tubes and stuff. And put the calipers all back together and I just had zero front brake. A 10-15 minute job turned into me going round all the hardware stores around me to find some PVC tubing, some brake fluid, an old container. I had to find an 8mm spanner, ratchet spanner, like for God's sake. And then I had to polish my exhaust up, took the belly pan off, polished the exhaust up, clean the chain, all that good stuff. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you've never been on this road, this is, as I've mentioned, Hartside Pass, Penrith to Alston. The A686 at the top is Hartside Summit, and it is a very popular road for bikes and cars. But have your wits about you, because it is a very technical road, so if you do want to ride a bit silly on it, then just do a few runs up and down, because I've had some moments. Zip. Just look at that windy route on here. Well, hey, there you go, Box. That is why you have to be a bit wary on the roads. Oh my god, this MT-09 is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it just sits in a corner. Get this thing on track. Plus you get a lovely view of the Lake District coming up as well. Which, wait till you get to the top. I imagine a lot of people that have seen my channel before have probably seen this road, but if not, then it's a shame this MT09 don't have an auto blipper on. I know the new ones do, but... Busy, isn't it? What?